Imagine a luxury sedan that doesn't just transport you in comfort, but actively dares you to explore its limits every time you press the start button. The 2026 BMW M5 represents the absolute peak of BMW's performance sedan philosophy, blending brutal power, cutting-edge technology, and everyday usability into a single, beautifully engineered machine. This is a car that can cruise quietly through city streets one moment and unleash supercar-level performance the next. From the outside, the 2026 M5 looks instantly recognizable, yet more aggressive and purposeful than ever. The design is sharper, wider, and more muscular, with flared fenders that hint at the power hidden underneath. The iconic kidney grille has evolved with a more modern, performance-focused look, paired with sleek LED or laser headlights that give the front end a piercing stare. The hood features subtle power bulges, while the sculpted side panels emphasize its wide track and planted stance. Around the back, quad exhaust tips, a discreet performance diffuser, and slim LED taillights complete a look that balances executive class with unmistakable motorsport DNA. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a perfect fusion of luxury and race-inspired focus. Premium materials wrap nearly every surface, including fine leather, carbon fiber, aluminum accents, and soft-touch finishes. The seats are deeply bolstered yet comfortable, offering power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and memory functions, designed to keep you secure during aggressive driving while remaining relaxing on long journeys. The driving position is low and commanding, with a thick M steering wheel that feels perfectly weighted in your hands. The digital experience is a major highlight. A wide curved display integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into a seamless layout. M-specific graphics dominate the display, showing everything from boost pressure and power output to G-forces and lap timers. The infotainment system is fast, intuitive, and fully connected, supporting wireless smartphone integration, voice commands, navigation with real-time data, and customizable driving displays. Ambient lighting, a premium surround sound system, and a head-up display further enhance the sense of modern luxury. Under the hood is where the 2026 BMW M5 truly defines itself. The legendary twin-turbocharged V8 returns, now paired with advanced electrification to deliver staggering performance while improving efficiency. This high-performance hybrid setup produces immense power and torque, delivering instant throttle response and relentless acceleration. Press the accelerator, and the M5 launches forward with explosive force, capable of reaching highway speeds in just a few seconds. Despite the power, the delivery feels smooth and controlled, thanks to BMW's finely tuned electronics and transmission. Power is sent through a sophisticated all-wheel drive system that can intelligently vary torque between the front and rear wheels. In everyday driving, it provides confidence and traction in all weather conditions. Switch into more aggressive driving modes, and the system transforms, sending more power to the rear for a classic rear-wheel drive feel. For purists, there's even a mode that allows the car to behave like a true rear-wheel drive performance sedan, offering maximum driver engagement. Handling is just as impressive as straight-line speed. The adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions and driving style, providing a comfortable ride in relaxed modes and razor-sharp control when pushed hard. The chassis feels incredibly composed, with minimal body roll and exceptional balance through corners. Steering is precise and responsive, giving the driver a strong sense of connection to the road. Massive high-performance brakes provide confident stopping power, with available carbon ceramic options for those who demand maximum performance and fade resistance on track days. Despite its performance credentials, the M5 remains remarkably practical. It offers generous space for passengers, a well-sized trunk, and everyday comfort features that make it perfectly suitable as a daily driver. Advanced driver assistance systems add another layer of confidence, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features make long highway drives relaxing and city driving less stressful. What truly sets the 2026 BMW M5 apart is its dual personality. It's a refined luxury sedan when you want comfort, silence, and smoothness, and a ferocious performance machine when you crave adrenaline. Few cars in the world can blend these two extremes so seamlessly. The M5 doesn't force you to choose between practicality and performance. It delivers both at the highest level. In the end, the 2026 BMW M5 stands as a symbol of what modern performance engineering can achieve. It offers supercar-level acceleration, track-ready handling, advanced hybrid technology, and everyday usability, all wrapped in a sleek executive sedan. For drivers who want one car that can truly do everything, without compromise, the M5 remains an icon and a benchmark in the world of high-performance sedans.